Imagine a world where machines sound as natural as your best friend you're probably used to robotic voices. But AI is changing that. Advanced text-to-speech tech is making voices sound more human-like, with subtle inflections and emotional depth. This shift is revolutionizing industries, from customer service to entertainment. AI voices are becoming the new norm, and it's not just about sounding nice, it's about creating a more engaging experience. Whether it's helping you with a task or entertaining you, these voices are designed to connect. The future is already here, and it's sounding more human every day. What do you think about AI voices taking over? Share your thoughts in the comments.